welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a makeup tutorial, and it is on this look right here, and it is a very peachy, glowy, very beautiful spring summer look. And what's so awesome about this makeup tutorial is that I use all inexpensive products. Every single product that you will see me use in this video is inexpensive, which means it's from the drugstore, or you can find it at Ulta, but in the drugstore section of the store. So everything that you will be seeing in this video is definitely under $20. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful peach spring summer look, stick around. Alright guys, you guys know how I roll. I always start off with my eyes, and I'm using this NYX HD Concealer on my eyelids, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow base before I go in with eyeshadows. For eyeshadows, I'll be using this beautiful palette from Carli, Bybel, and BH Cosmetics. This is the Deluxe palette, and they also do have a smaller one, but I love this one. So I'm starting off with a neutral color as my base color, and this is great so that you can set the concealer you just put on your eyelids. Next, I'm going in with that beautiful soft brown, and I'm putting that all over my crease with this beautiful fluffy brush. Next up, I'm taking that brown shade, and then I'm going to pack it on to the outer part of my eyelid, and I'm slowly also blending it into the crease. Lastly, I'm taking this beautiful bronzy peachy color, and I'm using my finger to pack that on the other part of my eyelid while also trying to blend it in with that brown shade. For eyeliner, I'm using the Essence Cushion Eyeliner, and this eyeliner, guys, is the bomb.com. It is super black and it stays on all night. I just love it, and it's a super inexpensive eyeliner. I mean, it's from the Essence brand, so I think I paid like $4 for it. I love it. For mascara, I'm going in with my favorite drugstore mascara, the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm just putting a coat of that on so that I can prep them for my falsies. And I'm using the Eyelure and Nicole Guerriero lashes. I love these lashes, they're so voluminous. Moving on to face makeup, I'm using the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot face primer, and I'm adding that all over my face to prep it for the rest of the makeup. For foundation, I'll be mixing these two shades from the Wet n Wild foundations, and I'm doing this because one of them is way too light and the other one's way too dark. So I just made a nice little cocktail and put that all over my face. And this is a full coverage drugstore foundation, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to concealer, we're going in again with the NYX HD Concealer. I used to love this concealer, and I picked it up again for this video, and I'm in love with it again, guys. I absolutely love it, and it's about $5. To set that concealer and the rest of my face, I'm using the Airspun translucent powder. Honestly, the best powder that I have ever tried. So if you guys haven't tried it already, pick it up. I found mine at Walgreens. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild ColorIcon Ticket to Brazil color. And this bronzer honestly is so good, especially for us that are super fair. It just adds just the right amount of color without making it look muddy or chalky. For blush, I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Peach Pop Blush Palette, and I'm using the color Coral. And I'm adding that first to the apples of my cheeks and then blending it backwards towards my ears. I just love that blushed look. And then for eyebrows, I'm going in with this Maybelline eyebrow palette, and I'm using that middle shade and filling in the brows. set my eyebrows, I'm going in with this e.l.f. brow gel and just applying it straight to the brows. To finish off our eyes, I'm going back into that brown shade and applying it to my lower lash line, making sure I blend it out completely. And next up, I'm taking the NYX Wonder Pencil in the nude color, and I'm adding that to my waterline, and this will make your eyes look very open, very fresh, and very, very awake. Then I'm also adding on mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes the eye look. Now to highlight the face, I'm using the Colourpop highlighter in Here Kitty Kitty, and I'm applying that on the top of my cheekbones and then also down the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to use it to highlight my collarbones. Moving on to lips, I'm using this Maybelline lip liner in the color Toast, outlining my lips to prep them for our beautiful lippy. Now I'm taking my favorite lipstick at the moment, and this one is a collaboration between Holmes and Palladio, and this one is in the color Georgia, and it is a beautiful peachy color. It just fits so well on my skin tone, and I love wearing it with absolutely everything. Oh girl, we cannot forget to highlight our inner corner of our eyes, so I'm taking again Here Kitty Kitty from Colourpop. To set our beautiful work of art, I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray and applying it all over the face. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and watching how I created this beautiful spring summer look. And I would love to know what your holy grail drugstore product is. Please leave it in the comments down below. I definitely enjoyed making this video for you guys, and if you do recreate it, please tag me in your photos, whether that's here on YouTube or on Instagram. One of my favorite products I used in this video is this lippy from Palladio and Holmes collaboration, and this one is in the color Georgia. It is a beautiful peachy color, and it's only $10, and you can find it at Sally's Beauty, so pick it up if you are in the market for an inexpensive peachy lippy. That's it for this video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell down below so that you can be notified when I post my next video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!